Now, one of the major reasons seed oils contribute to atherosclerosis is that their polyunsaturated chemical structure contains unstable bonds which are prone to oxidation. Basically, all the seed and vegetable oils you see in stores are oxidised. Fish oil too. This study, for example, found that oxidation of walnut oil occurred within days. And when oxidised oils are consumed, as we often do, oxidation products get absorbed into the body. The more oxidised the oil, the higher the level of blood oxidation products. And the story for blood oxidation products becomes even more interesting when we have subjects with poor blood sugar control. The two left columns represent subjects with normal blood glucose levels, and the right column, those with poorly controlled diabetes, meaning they've got high blood sugar levels. And you can see the blood oxidation product level is much higher in the poorly controlled diabetics. Furthermore, the blood oxidation products lasted for 9 times longer in these subjects, being detected in the circulation for 3 days, compared to 8 hours for the healthier subjects. So what you might ask is the problem with oxidation products in the blood? The answer is atherosclerosis, as in oxidative stress in the blood triggers blood clotting or thrombosis, which, as you now know, is the source of atherosclerosis. In the words of this paper, oxidative stress is involved in all of the major processes involved in the development of thrombosis. So we're now starting to understand why thrombosis happens. So what actually is oxidation? Well, it's basically an umbrella term that refers to a chemical reaction where an electron is ripped away from a molecule. Basically what rusting is. And because of this reactive tendency, oxidation products in the blood can trigger clotting. Of course, seed oils are not the only source of blood oxidation products. Pollution is a major one. And when we inhale pollutants, if they're small enough, they can pass through the blood vessels, the membrane of the blood vessels coursing through our lungs and enter our circulation. And this has been proven by research that detects pollutant particles in the blood within 1 minute of inhalation. This is why smoking increases heart disease risk, as in the case of President Eisenhower, who smoked 2 to 3 packs a day. Of course, some pollutants are worse than others. Do you remember leaded petrol? Some of you are old enough. It used to fill the air with lead for us to inhale. Well, lead is particularly potent at contributing to oxidative stress. Lead atoms are just the right size to enter the circulation after inhalation. And this study from 2018 concluded that 1 in 6, or 18%, of the 2.3 million deaths every year in the United States is attributable to lead. And remember, it all comes back to oxidation products in the blood.